How temperature affects solid breakdown in septic tanks. Many homeowners do not realize that temperature plays a major role in septic tank performance. The process of breaking down solid waste depends on bacteria living inside the tank. These bacteria work best under stable temperatures. Understanding how temperature affects solid breakdown in septic tanks can help prevent backups, odors, and costly repairs. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Cold temperatures slow down bacteria. During winter or cold weather, septic tank bacteria become less active. When bacteria slow down, solid waste takes longer to decompose. Common problems caused by cold temperatures include slow drains, bad odors, increased sludge buildup, septic backups. Cold soil can also freeze pipes and reduce wastewater flow. 2. Warm temperatures improve breakdown. Moderate warmth helps bacteria digest waste faster. In warm conditions, solids break down more efficiently, which helps the septic system work properly. Benefits of warmer temperatures include faster solid decomposition, better wastewater flow, reduced sludge accumulation, improved septic efficiency. However, extremely high heat can also disturb the balance inside the tank. 3. Seasonal changes affect septic performance. Septic systems often struggle during sudden weather changes. Heavy rain, snowmelt, or long heat waves can place stress on the system. Seasonal temperature changes may cause 1. Overflow in the drain field. 2. Slower bacterial activity. 3. Poor waste separation. 4. Extra strain on septic components. Regular inspections help identify these issues early. 4. Proper insulation helps protect the tank. Keeping the septic tank insulated can maintain healthy bacterial activity during colder months. Helpful insulation methods include maintaining grass over the tank, adding mulch during winter, avoiding soil compaction, preventing exposure to freezing air. These simple steps help stabilize underground temperatures. 5. Good maintenance reduces temperature problems. Proper septic maintenance is important in every season. Follow these maintenance tips. 1. Pump the tank regularly. 2. Avoid excessive water use. 3. Do not pour harsh chemicals into drains. 4. Use septic-safe cleaning products. 5. Fix leaks quickly. Healthy bacteria are essential for breaking down solids efficiently. Understanding how temperature affects solid breakdown in septic tanks is important for keeping a septic system healthy. Cold weather slows bacterial activity, while moderate warmth improves waste decomposition. Seasonal changes and poor insulation can also affect system performance. With regular maintenance and proper care, homeowners can protect their septic tanks from temperature-related problems and extend the life of their entire septic system. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.